Hello students, in this video we will see that how we can represent rational number on number line. First we talk about the rational number. There are two forms of rational number. First in P upon Q form means numerator and denominator, and the second form is decimal form where you can see that after decimal number will be finite here. Is that clear? Now we will take one example here. 2 upon 7, we want to represent this number on number line. So first we will write here 2 upon 7. When we produce 2 upon 7, it gives us 3 upon 7, 4 upon 7, 5 upon 7, 6 upon 7, 7 upon 7. You can see here 7 upon 7 will be 1 here. Now we will start to decrease here. After before 2 upon 7 it will be 1 upon 7 and 0 upon 7. 0 upon 7 give us 0. That means 2 upon 7 lie between 1 and 0. So we draw a number line and we put here 0 and here 1. Now you can see here 1 will be 7 upon 7 and we can write here 6 upon 7, 6 upon 7. After that 5 upon 7, 4 upon 7, 3 upon 7, 2 upon 7, 1 upon 7 and 0 upon 7 give us 0, and you can locate the 2 upon 7 on number line. Now we take one more example here. We have number minus 4 upon 5. First we will see that minus 4 upon 5, when we start to decrease and increase here, it gives us minus 5 upon 5. Minus 5 upon 5 give us minus 1. When we start increase here, minus 3 upon 5, minus 2 upon 5, minus 1 upon 5, and after that 0 upon 5 give us 0. You can see here minus 4 upon 5 lie between to the minus 1 and 0. Now we will draw a line. Now we know that negative number will be on left side and 0 will be here right side. So we write here 0 and minus 1. 0 show to the 0 upon 5, and after that minus 1 upon 5 we can write here. Then minus 2 upon 5, minus 3 upon 5, minus 4 upon 5, and after then you can write here minus 5 upon 5. Is that clear? Now we talk about the rational number between two rational number. Now you look at here, we take one example here. Let we have a number 3 upon 2 and second number is 4 upon 3. We want to find the 4 rational number between to these number. There are two conditions. First condition is denominator will be same here, so we want to try to make the denominator same here. 2 and 3 will be multiplied by the 3 denominator of the second number. Is that clear? And 4 and 3 will be multiply the denominator of first number. Is that clear? 3 upon 2 will multiply by 3 and 3. 3 is the denominator of the second number. Now 4 upon 3 will multiply by the denominator of the first number, 2 and 2. Now you can see here 3 into 3 will be 9 and 2 into 3 will be 6 here, and 4 into 2 will be 8 and 3 into 2 will be 6 here. Now you can see denominator is same here. Now we want to find out the 4 rational number, so we add plus 1 and we got the 5. Now we multiply by the 5 the both number, numerator and denominator. 9 upon 6 will multiply by 5 and 5, and the second number also will multiply by the 5 here. 8 upon 6 will multiply 5 and 5 here. Now you can see 9 into 5 45, and 6 into 5 give us 30, and the second number is 8 into 5 will be 40 and 6 into 5 give us 30. Now you can see here between 40 and 45 we got here 41 upon 30, 42 upon 30, 43 upon 30 and 44 upon 30. Is that clear? Now repeat once again here. Let we have the two number here, 3 upon 2 and 4 upon 3. According question we want to find 4 rational number. So there are two conditions. First condition, denominator will be same here, so we will try to make it. First number will be multiplied by the denominator of the second number, and second number will be multiplied by the denominator of the first number. Now after getting the denominator same here, we want to find out the 4 rational number. Then we add plus 1, we got here 5, and we multiply both numbers by 5, numerator and denominator here. Now we got here 45 30 and 40 upon 30. You got 4 rational number between 3 upon 2 and 4 upon 3. I hope you can understand here.